have this friend. She had she got bitten by a bee, but it got really swollen because she's actually allergic to it, and it's really red. But she said she didn't really want to take any
Benadryl or something.
yeah. So I was wondering if you knew something that I could tell her to use.
We can make a paste using activated charcoal and castor oil, and to make it even more anti-inflammatory, if you have flaxseed.
You mind showing me how to make this? I could show her.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah?
I can show you
Okay.
how to make them.
Okay. All right.
All right.
All right,
Hey,
Dixon.
yes.
I
That
got
was
the
quick.
I know. I know exactly where they were. So that's the
Castor
castor
oil,
oil, and this is the charcoal.
charcoal, activated charcoal.
Yeah. And then this is the flax seeds. We could use that for insect bites.
Yes, but we'll need to grind it. Do you have like
Oh.
a coffee grinder
We
or?
do. We have a blender over there.
Oh, perfect. Yep, we'll need to blend it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what we need. First, we'll need to blend this. So we have a ninja bullet right here. All right, so we just grinded the flax seeds. We have the activated charcoal and castor oil. So it's amazing what flax seeds can do. Do you know if a hair sticks in your eye, you can take one flax seed and put it in the lid of your eye, and in the morning the hair will come out. And we use flax seeds in many ways. That's just one way that you can use flax seeds to help clear your eye. It's gonna gel up. The other way as well is you can add it on your cereal. If you add flax seeds on your cereal, it tends to increase the fiber, which helps with your bowel movements. And I'm adding castor oil. So as you can see, castor oil and flax seeds. So I'm gonna add the charcoal as well, so that the paste can be more consistent. Charcoal is very messy, so I'm gonna be careful with it. There we go. So the charcoal topically is excellent for inflammation, for snake bites like you had mentioned, or the bee bites that you had mentioned. But something else that the charcoal is excellent for is high cholesterol numbers. And when they come with the high cholesterol numbers, say numbers like 190, they use 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal, and in 2 weeks, Chantel, the cholesterol numbers come down to 120 from 190. As you can see, the charcoal, the flax seeds, and the castor oil have a very nice, rich black consistency. And this is what you want, a toothpaste consistency. So once you have this consistency, you can spread it on a paper towel like this. I believe it's easy to find this at home. So I double layered it so that it's easy. So I'm gonna spread this out right here. Just keep it simple. A secret to doing this is avoid the edges. Avoid the edges. And if it's from a snake bite, because that's very venomous, you can change the poultice every 20 minutes for the first 2 hours. If it's a bee bite, this will work. You don't have to change it every 2 hours, every 20 minutes. But because this is, if it was a very venomous bite, I will do it every 20 minutes, put another patch. So we are gonna put a tape on this. You don't have to, but just to seal it, we'll put a tape on the edges so that it's nice and firm. As you can see, the layers are not, the charcoal didn't seep through the last towel, so this is what we want. So we can just use one layer. One layer will be sufficient, because this is what we want to have contact with the bee sting. But if it was going to be very wet, we will use 2 layers. So I'm gonna seal this. So it's very easy the way that I seal it. I just open the tape this length toothpaste that we don't need. So charcoal is good internally to lower cholesterol. It's good externally for venom, bee bites, even for wounds. If you have a wound that is not healing, you can do the exact same thing and it's gonna work. If you have gout, you know how gout is so painful? You can use this for gout. You can use this for arthritis, other types of arthritis. So if you wake up with a very painful knee, you can use charcoal paste on the towel to help your knees. So it's amazing the things that you can do. And you can also use it to help with, say if someone has kidney issues, this is like dialysis.
I know someone with kidney issues.
Yes, if they can do the same thing and apply every night on the kidneys, you just gotta tell them where the kidneys are. It will help to pull out the extra toxins through the skin. Do you know the skin is your largest organ? So the skin being the largest organ, charcoal helps to absorb. The same way that if you have a sore throat, you can take charcoal tablets and just swallow them. The charcoal absorbs to the bacteria and you swallow it down and it helps relieve the sore throat. So as you can see, this is what you want. If you have nausea, if you have indigestion, if you have bloating in your stomach, you can use just a teaspoon of charcoal and it's excellent. I actually used it this week. My stomach was hurting. I used a teaspoon and it helped. They even use it for children with jaundice.
Oh.
Do you know? Yeah. They give little children activated charcoal and it works better than the medication that was used before that. Yeah.
Okay,
so
so
this
this
is the final product.
Poultice.
So say the bee sting is right here. So we will apply it on the area right there. Then we will wrap it. So I see you had a plastic wrap here. So the part with the tape out so that the tape is not on your skin. So we'll just wrap it nicely. So for I'd say at least 2 hours. You can definitely sleep with it. Is that too tight for you?
No, that's good.
For if someone has diabetes or if somebody has fatty liver disease, you can do the same thing on the liver. If they have diabetes, the same thing on the pancreas. If they have appendicitis, any type of inflammation, you can put it on the appendix. If they have
Thyroid?
Yes. If they have thyroid inflammation.
Wow, charcoal is amazing.
Charcoal is amazing. Yes. We used it on a friend who came from the Bahamas. When he came, I could see how inflamed his thyroid was. And after 2 weeks, it was back to normal.
Wow, okay.
So this looks excellent. So you just tell your friend to...
Yeah, a new fashion statement.
Yes, you know. Do you want me to sign on it? Yes.
Okay.
One more thing. It's good for tooth pain.
Oh,
Yes.
no way.
Yes.
My wisdom tooth is coming in right now.
Yeah. If you have like a gauze,
Yes.
just put a little charcoal in the gauze, form a ball on it, and just place it right there.
I'm going to go and do that right now.
That's it.
Thank you so much,
You're
Dixon.
welcome.